You know who it is, and you know what time it is. Time to piss off some feminists, trad cucks, and whoever don't want to know the truth. Oh well, let's get started. What is going on, gents? It's R.P.M. here, reporting from Mobile Command. Gentlemen, it has begun. Now, what do I mean? I'm pretty sure you guys have seen this article being covered by various other content creators. And you know what? I wasn't going to talk about it, but damn it, I may as well get my shot in too. Now, we all know where I stand with the whole Lonely Fans and Only Simps website. But this article brings out insane amounts of maniacal laughter. Now, I'm going to try to keep this as professional as possible, but fuck it. Why not? Now, this article was published on the 17th of June. OnlyFans reportedly seeks $1 billion valuation as it aims to pivot from lewd content. Well. OnlyFans is reportedly looking to raise new funding in a deal that values the company at more than $1 billion and says it wants to shed its reputation as a platform for lewd content. Oh, you simple-minded, short-term thinking women who honestly thought that those beta and simp bucks would never stop flowing. You honestly thought that being an OnlyFans girl was going to be a retirement plan? Oh, the commonplace idiocy of the typical modern woman. Now, before we go any further, let us go ahead and refer to the Kevin Samuels shot that he put on those two OnlyFans girls who walked out on Fresh and Fit. When OnlyFans stops, Subway will be hiring. And ladies, I guess it's time for you to go ahead and dust off some of those applications. Oh, another round of suffering for you idiotic women has been put into play. The London-based company, which is currently used mostly by adult film stars and wannabe adult film stars to sling smutty pics and videos, wants the help of mainstream backers who can help it appeal to a wide range of celebrities and athletes, according to Bloomberg. Now let's break that down in a nutshell, shall we? All of you OnlyFans girls got this company to where it wanted to be. So, like any good corporation, they're going to decide to clean up their image. So guess what? You guys are out of there. And hey, a lot of RP men tried to tell you women that this was not going to be a long-term sustainable plan, i.e., the two women on the Fresh and Fit show that Kevin Samuels was asking, what is going to be your long-term plan with the short-term money that you're gaining? And of course, those women had no clue what he was talking about. Why? Because as I said before, as long as the beta bucks and simp pool was being replenished, They never thought that that pool was going to run dry. However, once again, the company is capping that well. Hosting more mainstream content on its platform could also help attract premium advertisers. Unlike many hot tech companies from Uber to Clubhouse, OnlyFans is actually profitable. According to Bloomberg, it also raked in more than $400 million last year, taking a 20% fee as it handled more than $2 billion in sales last year after the demand exploded during the Charlie 19 lockdowns. $400 million. Think about that. All of you, I hate saying this, but I gotta say it. All of you beta males out there, all of you lonely simps out there who paid all this money, you didn't even get to sniff what you really were truly after. Man, I could say it's sad, but you know what? You guys knew. You guys knew. In total, OnlyFans has paid out more than $3 billion to its 1.25 million creators, according to Bloomberg. Despite the company's impressive numbers, OnlyFans may have trouble attracting investment from traditional venture capital investors. And there, ladies, is where you're going to be put out to pasture. Venture capital firms often have agreements with investors that prevent them from investing in vice industries, including lewd content, alcohol, and firearms, that they worry can harm their reputation. Hosting more mainstream content on OnlyFans could help attract premium advertisers. OnlyFans, which was founded in 2016 by British entrepreneur Tim Stokely, did not immediately reply to a request for comment. In its bid for mainstream status, OnlyFans has so far drawn celebrities including Floyd Mayweather, Bella Thorne, Cardi B, and Chris Brown. Well. Oh, you short-sighted women. Now, I guarantee you there have been so many tweets out there from women talking about, we built OnlyFans, we helped get OnlyFans on the map, and now what are we going to do? Guess what? Suffer. You ladies seem to keep falling for any company that continuously guarantees you short-term victories. Ladies, understand this. You can win all of the small skirmishes, but still lose the war. See, this is where men have completely got the game sold in our favor. Patience. You see, ladies, we men have to build ourselves over time. See, you're front loaded with all of your victories, and guess what? You lose the war in the long run. See, us men, we have to continually fight. And guess what? We get better. We get more knowledge. We get more experience. And guess what? In the long term, we win. Oh, and just to throw another rib shot in, we don't have a biological clock. So more and more men are deciding to just sit it out and wait for the next generation of women and hope they're not as screwed up as this current generation. But all in all, ladies, all of these short-term victories that society keeps pumping your way, what do you have in the end? In the end, you have nothing. Now, ironic, those same women on OnlyFans who touted themselves, I don't need no man. Guess what they're going to be doing? Hey, big head. Hey, stranger. Yeah. That average guy who you wouldn't look in his direction, combined with other societal things, is going to be looking pretty damn good now. Oh, yeah. But gentlemen, make sure you have the long memory. Make sure you have the wherewithal and the mental fortitude to say, you know what? Let's go ahead and resurrect Mike Jones, shall we? Back then you didn't want me. Now I'm hot. You all on me. No. You had your chance. Guess what? You didn't want it. You wouldn't look in my direction. So yeah, you're gonna suffer. Oh well, it is what it is. Now I know women are gonna try to formulate any strategy that they can. But gentlemen, you have to have that mental fortitude to resist, particularly the sob story. That's where a lot of us men drop our guard, because once they start with those sob stories, we want to feel bad for them. However, no, not your obligation to save these women. Don't. The only way they're going to learn is going to be through suffering. The system does everything it can to prevent women from suffering. However, that's going to no longer be in play, because guess what? With the housing moratoriums set to end, oh yeah. And I got an article that I'm going to cover on that tomorrow. But yeah, all in all, a lot of these women who thought that they had such a big head and a big ego, they're about to get brought down to reality, and it's not going to be a pretty ride. Oh well, ladies, it is what it is. And with that being said, read the article. Let me know what you guys think. And ladies, the power will eventually go out. Feminism, just like OnlyFans, was not a long-term sustainable thing. And as a lot of you ladies are about to learn the very hard way, you're going to finally realize what we men, what we regular, everyday, average men have been saying for so long. And since you chose not to listen, a lot of us will simply choose not to help. Oh well, it is what it is. That's all I got to say for this one. R.P.M. I am